Hey dear, welcome to my channel. Today, I will show you how to cancel your Grammarly subscription. Are you ready to bid farewell to your Grammarly subscription? Don't worry, I have got you covered. Here a quick guide. First, log into your Grammarly account on the Grammarly website. Once logged in, navigate to the Account tab, usually located in the top right corner of the page. Next, click on the Subscription tab within your account setting. Here you will find details about your current subscription plan. Now, look for the option to manage your subscription or cancel it. Click on the Manage. And Grammarly will guide you through the cancellation process. Follow the prompts to confirm your cancellation. Your Grammarly subscription will be cancelled. Remember to check your email for a confirmation of the cancellation. And that's it. If you ever decided to come back, Grammarly will be here with open arms. If you found this tip helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more useful guides. Thanks for watching and happy writing.